Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your DStv Explorer suddenly stops responding to the remote, it can make even simple things like changing channels or opening menus feel impossible. Sometimes the remote lights up, but nothing happens on the screen, while other times the decoder seems completely unresponsive no matter how many buttons you press. A situation like this can happen because of battery issues, pairing interruptions, blocked signals, or temporary connection problems between the remote and decoder. Before thinking you need a replacement remote, there are a few quick things worth checking because many response issues can improve after simple adjustments. Let's go through some easy steps that may help get your DStv Explorer working with the remote again. Try these. Step 1. Replace the batteries inside the DStv Explorer remote if the buttons stop responding normally. Step 2. Point the DStv Explorer remote directly toward the decoder and remove anything blocking the signal path. Step 3. Restart the DStv Explorer by removing power briefly before turning it back on. Step 4. Press different navigation buttons on the DStv Explorer remote to check if any controls begin responding. Step 5. Review pairing settings connected to the DStv Explorer if the remote still does not communicate properly. Step 6. Test channel changes on the DStv Explorer and confirm the remote responds normally again.